Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva, create designs online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type canva.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Canva homepage to fully load. Find the login button at the top right of the screen. Click the login button to open the sign-in page. Choose the login method you want to use, such as email, Google, Facebook, Apple, or Microsoft. If you choose email, click Continue with email. Type the email address you used to create your Canva account. Click Continue to move to the password screen. Enter your Canva password carefully and check for typos. Click Login to access your account. If you choose Continue with Google, click that option and select your Google account. Approve the permission request if Canva asks to connect to your Google account. If you choose Continue with Facebook, enter your Facebook details and confirm. If you choose Continue with Apple, sign in with your Apple ID and complete verification if needed. If you choose Continue with Microsoft, sign in with your Microsoft account and confirm access. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Check your spam or junk folder if you do not see the reset email. After logging in, you will land on the Canva homepage or your dashboard. Look at the top search bar to find templates by typing what you want to design. Click Create a Design at the top right to start a new project. Choose a design type like presentation, Instagram post, logo, or custom size. Wait for the editor to open and load your blank page or template. Use the left panel to add templates, elements, text, photos, and uploads. Click any item you add to resize, move, or edit it on the canvas. Press the share button to invite others or generate a share link if you want collaboration. Click Download to save your design and choose the file type like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.